So hello everybody, today we are at Statue of Unity. As you can see, this is the grand entrance. Just do your check-in of the tickets and then we keep walking. Quite a bit of walking we have to do here. We took the bus to come down till this place. It's quite a scenic place, very nicely done. You can see there's a lot of plantations around. You can see the Unity statue in the background. So we drove here all the way and then we took a bus. The bus tickets were 150 rupees. There are special tickets that you have to buy. Those are 380 rupees to take the observatory inside the statue. But those are already sold out for another 2 weeks. So that was a challenge. Otherwise, you can take the basic 150 rupees ticket and you can take the bus and come here. The state and GSRTC buses. So this is the grand entrance for it, and we have escalators. You can see that is the exit. That is the entrance escalator. And that is a huge statue. And you can see the crowd. Quite a lot of crowd. And now, to avoid a little bit of walking, we are going to take the escalators after the school kids. School kids, बच्चों के बाद.
Careful, beta, careful.
चलो don't touch. As you can see, this is basically the reservoir area. There's not a lot of water right now. And this is basically the whole crowd of Statue of Unity for Mr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. There's actually a lot of boating activities available, but there's separate ticket and counters for it and separate pricing. This is the observation deck. We are going to go a little bit higher also. This is the observation deck of Statue of Unity. That's the statue right underneath it. You can see this huge walking area. See at the back over there, that's where the bus stand is. We all take a bus till there, and then from there on we walk. We have escalators in this shaded area. This is the other view from one of the other observation deck, and we are right underneath the statue. You can see quite high to take pictures and videos of it. Quite a bit of crowd. So this is the food court over here. They have Starbucks and then they have Subway, which was actually finished. So quite a bit of demand here. And the Subway was finished, and then they had CCD, they had some chole kulche, which were decent enough. Pricing is a little expensive, I would say, because I think this is an isolated place. But yeah, food was worth it. So this is the food court. When you come back from the statue, you find the food court here where you can come and eat some food.